Welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how to create cinematic text using Capcut.
First, open Capcut app and click on New Project. Select the black background and add the main timeline. After adding black background, click on the main timeline of the video and increase the time duration as per your wish. Now, click on the aspect ratio and select the YouTube video ratio. Click on text and then write new text. I wrote a tutorial here. Select the bold font and increase the text size. Now, while moving to the right side, you will see lasting text here. Now click on it. Go to animation again and choose float down effect in animation. Similarly, go to loop animation and select wave to effect. Now again, by clicking on the out animation, move down a little bit and here you will see the fly out effect. Select it. Now, our first step is done and it looks like this after playing it. Now save this video in high quality. Click on New Project and add the video that we made earlier. Add video like this. Now, add overlay. I have this golden particle video, which you can easily download from YouTube. Click on the splice and move it to the right. Click on the burn effect here. Now, it has become like this. Now save the project and our second step is over. Now again, click on New Project. I have downloaded the cinematic video clip here. You can download it from mixkit.com. Select the YouTube ratio. Now, go to the overlay and add the text video you created. Adjust the video size. Click on the overlay video and the option to splice will appear. Click on splice and when you move to the right, the option of hard appears here. Click on it and decrease the opacity. Now, the final result looks like this after playing it. Split and delete video parts that are more. Your cinematic text video is ready. Subscribe for more.